Hello everyone. In today's lesson we are going to be drawing a dragon's silhouette. Alright, a silhouette is when you can just see the shape of the figure, no inside details. It's normally completely black, but a silhouette can be done in any color. During the Zoom, we're going to be talking about how to do a silhouette using ink and a feather quill. You can also do a silhouette using marker, watercolor, any material really. In this video I will be using a green brush tip pen as opposed to a nibbed pen that looks like this. The difference is how they make their lines. If you're trying to get really fine detail, use a nibbed pen. If you are going for broader strokes or being able to taper your strokes, you want a brush tip. Alright, so to get started, we're going to start by defining the head. Alright, so this right here is the snout and where the eyes are. And we're going to come down. A little bit of the jaw. It's going to be a little lower. This is all going to be filled in when we are done. So if we need to make some adjustments, we can. We are not going to draw this out in pencil first. It's part of the fun. We're going to go up. This is for our wings. We're going to do the same thing right over here. We're going to go up. Alright, so we have our two wings planned out. And I want the wings to pretty much be the same on both sides. So as I do one stroke on this side, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. How you draw your strokes might be a little bit different from side to side. Like for here, I went from top down. Sorry, I went from down up. Over here, I went from the top down. It just depends on which is easiest for you to get your line drawn. I'm going to do an arch and an arch. Alright. Again, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Even though they're not going to be symmetrical, we're not going for perfectly similar, we do want the same general shapes though. One, two, and we're going to do one more. One more here. And then we're going to add in a tail, and this tail is going to curl around like this. So now we have outlined our dragon. To do the silhouette, we have to fill in our outline. This is where we can go in and refine anything we need to. Like, let's say I decide I want there to be horns. That's a detail that I can add after the fact as I am coloring in. Again, this project can be achieved using many different materials. You could do it with watercolor. You could do it with Sharpie, crayons, color pencils, ink, quill, choice is up to you. I am going to challenge you not to use a pencil to draw this out first. Sometimes it is nice to just figure it out with the strokes that you have. It's a good challenge. If you are using other materials, remember a silhouette is typically one solid color. No details. We won't see any of the scales, no eyes. It is just the shape of the object. There you have it, one dragon silhouette. Make sure you put your name in the bottom right hand corner. I can't wait to see your awesome dragon.